Take a look at this Ring camera video. You gotta see this guy.
Yeah. Boom.
Get your ass off the goddamn porch! Wake your ass up and get off my fucking porch! Now you sleep. Or passed out.
What the?
I see you look, I'm about to throw a rock at your goddamn ass. Get your ass up off my porch and find you somewhere to go. Yes.
Nice.
Take your ass somewhere and get the fuck off my porch. Don't you bring your ass up here no more.
In Oklahoma City, there's this woman who keeps trying to enter a home, but the homeowner doesn't know her at all.
It's Macy. Open the door. It's Macy. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, bruh.
You don't know who you are?
Yes, you do. It's your sister. Open the door.
You're at the wrong house.
No, I'm not. I'm at the right house. Open the door, bruh. Seriously? Open the door. It's Jimmy's sister. It's Jimmy's sister.
We don't know Jimmy.
He's the owner of this house.
We're calling the cops.
Alright, I'm leaving, bruh. Y'all are crazy.
Mailbox! You. That's freaking. I'm gonna get up here and do my shit while he's drunk all night, making noise.
In this video, captured by a Ring camera, there's a man with his dog displaying intense anger in the vicinity of his nearby home. However, the cause of his anger remains unknown at this point. The police have also arrived at the location. Let's discover what's happening and unravel the situation.
I know it's disturbing to see a black man out here working first thing in the morning, not drinking all night like this motherfucker. Like this hillbilly.
Well, that's part of the work we do, you know. That's those calls we always talk about. That's not us. That's true. You know. But if this does happen again, give us a call, because now what happened is now he's gonna get mad at him. He's gonna get mad at him. End up ultimately being altercation. We don't want to have to deal with. Someone's gonna get mad, you know what I mean? He's in a public way, right? So I don't feel public. I love the motivation. I love it.
Boss, you gave us money.
But
that's how I do when I release that energy. I'll call you tonight then when he out here drinking, making noise. Man.
that's fine. That's what we're here for.
Hopefully I made my point, man. I need to be left alone. I tried to get an order of protection against this mother. That white boy privilege, you know how it is? That white boy privilege. He this motherfucker all in my yard, but if I pass this out, he calling the police. My family been here 20 years. 20 plus years.
So what I also do, right, for your court number, so best to use the phone, right? Video camera.
I got to go on camera.
So I tell people,
actually have. If we did it, it would have been a different situation for us.
I always tell people, show you.
Take a look at this intoxicated person.
Hey. Go away.
อย่าเปิดประตูนะประตูข้างหลังก็ล็อกอยู่ใช่ไหม
The police are coming.
What did he say?
Nothing.
Should I call the police? You need to leave.
We upload videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe for daily interesting content. There's this man who is making threats on a Ring camera, but the homeowner doesn't know him at all.
Might as well answer the door, bro. I know you're in there, dog. You're beating up on women, beating up on your old girl, and you're hitting other girls, too. That shit ain't flying no more. You're a grown-ass man putting your hands on women. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you either here or outside of here. I promise you. I promise you. Either I'm gonna get you right here in the comfort of your own home, or I'm gonna catch you on the street, or I'm gonna catch you at work. I'm telling you right now, you better answer the f***ing door, dog. You better come catch these hands. Alright, you ain't nothing but a bitch, bro. I'm gonna be on this street every day until I catch your ass. I'm gonna be on this street with my goons every day until I catch you. I promise.
This man trying to break into a home, but he got caught by the homeowner. Let's find out what happens next.
Dennis here?
No, you came to the wrong address, sir. I'm gonna call 911 right now.
Okay.
Get out of my property right now.
Take a look at these two men.
Oh, man.
I want to commit to a marriage.
How can I help you?
Hey, y'all
How can I help you?
I want to cash a check. Hey.
Hello?
Hey. Can you hear me?
How can I help
Can you hear me? I got to give me that check.
Hey,
No. Is this a check cashing service? She can't hear you. Show her the check. Hello, is this a check cashing service?
This man came up on a bike and removed the American flag. It's really puzzling why people do such things. This thief climbed the wall and entered the home. Let's find out what happened next. Always lock the door. Take a look at this gang of masked men. Check this drunk man trying to break into this home.
Hey, listen, you gotta at least respond. I know you can gamble. Right.
Check out this thief who's stealing a motorbike in broad daylight.
Yo, what the hell? Hey, Siri, call 911.
Take a look at this weird incident. This family totally unaware.
Hello. What? Someone in the car. Are you serious? Yeah. Oh my God.
How are you?
Check it out.
Yeah, come on, bud.
Check it out.
You can take your chip.
Check it out.
You can take your chip. Take your chip with you.
Come on.
Take a look at this lady who's approaching the door and trying different keys to unlock it.
Can I help you?
Yeah, it's long apartment. Sorry, man, long apartment.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye.